See if you can find him.
Maybe he's in the office.
Is he in here? You see him?
No.
Where is he?
Look at my dog.
Where's Kevin?
Maybe he's all gone.
No, he always comes back. Let's find him and then we'll eat breakfast, okay?
But he's gone.
Okay, I'm going to try to find him.
Let's go find him together. Have a good goose. Hey! Hey, that's not good.
Where is he, Damie? Is he over there?
No, wait. I know.
Where? Where? Oh, look, there he is. Delilah, there he is.
I see him.
There's Kevin.
I see him.
There's Kevin.
I see him.
What's he?
Over here.
Is he riding that reindeer?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Let's go and pick him up.
No, we can't. We can't touch him.
Hello.
Because he'll lose his magic.
How are you doing?
Okay, you ready for breakfast?
Yes.
All right.
Yes, yes, yes.